Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Amanda, and for today's video, I mentioned in a couple videos back that I am going to visit my best friend in Virginia, and that her and I are going to be traveling to Salem, Massachusetts for like an October girls trip, and mainly for the witch trials because we're like really into that. So we're really excited, but I wanted to kind of share with you guys what I'm going to be packing for my carry-on and what I'm using for a carry-on bag. Obviously, I am having a carry-on and checking a bag because I have a lot of stuff. Okay, so I searched high and low for a bag that was going to be big enough to hold everything that I wanted in it. So I went to Target, and they had the perfect bag. This bag is freaking huge. It's humongous. If you guys can see it, but it like takes up my entire body. I love that it had the shoulder strap. That was important to me because I'm probably not going to want to carry it like this around the airport. It's going to be really nice and easy for me to carry it with the strap. And this is in addition to my purse. I'm still bringing my my like smaller purse, but let's get on into what is in here. And I think I have everything planned that's gonna be in here, already in here, but I might add like a couple like last minute things. First things first is like my toiletry bag. I am obsessed with like smaller like travel sized like lotions, and I just think that they're so cute. And where's my zipper? This is the bag that I put all my toiletries in. I also put makeup in here because it has a really good makeup compartment for brushes right here. So I'll probably put all my makeup brushes here, but in this little top compartment right here, I have some Q-tips because I use these for everything. My ears, I use them for my makeup, like all the good things. And then I have my travel-sized scent, Ariana Grande, Thank You Next. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. It is like the best scent ever. It just reminds me of fall. Like it's like musky and like vanilla-y, but it has like a little bit of like, I want to say like a fruit, like peach or something. I don't know, but it smells amazing. If you haven't smelled the Ariana Grande Thank You Next, you need to go to Ulta and smell it because it's great. And I love that they had the travel size spray because I didn't have to take the entire bottle with me, which would have been a really big hassle. Okay, and then for like my travel size things go, this is like hands down the best conditioner in the entire world. Like I am a hair like freak. I'm a hair girl, and I have tried so many different conditioners and everything, and this is the best one. This is amazing. I will link this down below for you guys if you want to try it. It has biotin and collagen in it, and it's just, it leaves your hair feeling so amazing, so like unfrizzy and like detangled. And I normally would use like 2 to 3 different conditioners in the shower at the same time, but with this I only have to use this one. Like this is the only conditioner I have to use. And then my favorite makeup remover, which is this, the waterproof micellar water. It's just amazing. I love that it can come in a little bottle because this will last me like probably 2 or 3 weeks. Like this lasts a long time. So I'm only going for 1 week, so I will most likely have a leftover of this, which is nice because I can reuse it for my next trips. Oh, and then this shampoo. I love the shampoo. I don't normally use Tresemme, but I do love this, and it smells super good. It just smells really nice, like a shampoo. But the moisture rich 2 times luxurious moisture with vitamin E. I just loved, I don't know, I saw this one and I was like, oh, I like that kind, I'll get it. I like it a lot. It's really good. From Bath & Body Works, I got this little travel size lotion. This smells so good, and it has like a little bit of sparkle in it. Ooh, like a little bit of sparkle. It just like, it's like my favorite scent. It smells like almonds, kind of. But it's probably shea butter scent, but to me it smells like almonds. I just love, it just smells, yeah, it has like a very strong almond scent, but I love the way the almonds smell, and it just makes my skin look super nice. I thought that it had a little bit of sparkle in it last time I put some on, but I don't think it does anymore. I love to put lotion on after I get out of the shower when my skin and all my pores are like open, just because I feel like I get the deepest moisture that way. So lotion like this is essential to my travel, especially because when I travel, my skin gets like extra dry, and I'm not really sure like if it's the plane or if it's just the weather, the season's changing, I don't know, but I just love little lotions like that, because they can go anywhere with you. They can go where you go, which is really great. Also, I got this, the Miracle It's a 10 leave-in product. This has been amazing. I'm sure you've seen tons of people rave about this product. This is not new. This has been the same old same for a long time. I just really like it. I think it's amazing. So I got that. Oh, I grabbed a second conditioner. This one's really good too. This is the coconut milk conditioner. I saw this one before I found my favorite one, so I picked this one up because I love the brand. And then I found this one, so I'm gonna bring them both just because you can never have too much conditioner. Oh, and then I just recently got a tattoo, so it was really important for me to get non-fragrance lotion for my tattoo because I'm gonna be needing it because I just got it done yesterday. So I'm gonna need this very well, and this is scented, so I can't use it on my tattoo. So I got this little cute Aveeno fragrance-free lotion. And I'm gonna show you guys my tattoo because I'm so excited about it. I'm like obsessed. That is my tattoo. I have been obsessed with this for so long, and I love that it's like one fine line that drew the entire thing. I just think it's gorgeous. I'll be needing to keep that moisturized, so and then I'll also throw my face wash in here and all my face moisturizers that I shared with you guys in my fall favorites video that you guys can watch. So that's that. And then like a necessity, of course, to bring a charger when you're traveling. So I'm going from Oregon to Virginia, which is a very, 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 very far way away. So I have a charger with me. It will also charge my headphones because they're wireless. So here's this. These headphones are like the best headphones ever. I actually got them gifted to me by my brother-in-law, so I will link them down below. But they're wireless. They come with a really cute case. They have a charging cord in here. And they're just real good. These are the best headphones I've used. My husband, I got him a pair of Beats for Christmas like a couple years ago. I don't remember how long ago exactly, but I had got him a pair of Beats a couple Christmases ago, and then when we got these ones, these were so much better in comparison. Like the sound that comes through these compared to Beats just beats it. They're amazing. So I will link these down below for you guys if you'd like to purchase a pair. They're really affordable, more affordable than Beats, so that is a plus, and the quality is quite amazing. I will be bringing these shoes along with me. These are just my super, super cheap Walmart tennies that I've got in like a couple haul videos back. They're so comfortable. They have memory foam in them, and they're just like the best shoes to have traveling. So I'm gonna be wearing these on the plane or bringing them with me. I'm not really sure which one yet. They have like, I stepped in some field with them and they have like pokies on them now, so I'm gonna have to pull those off. I always, always, always carry fizz sticks with me. Like no matter what I'm doing, where I'm going, I always have fizz sticks because I choose not to live without these. Like it's all natural caffeine. They're quite amazing. They're from Arbonne. I love them. This is like what first got me hooked on Arbonne, like the first ever thing, like ever. They're amazing, and this is a citrus flavor, and it just tastes like an amazing lemonade, and then it gives you this like clarity and like fights fatigue, and you just feel like awake and there and like alert. And caffeine from coffee doesn't always do that, so I like to have the option number two. I do love my caffeine though. I love my coffee. Love my coffee so much. But these are nice to have. If you don't have coffee available, you just put them in some water. Love these. Definitely a necessity when traveling. This bag holds so much stuff. I have this humongous like cardigan that's so comfortable. It's like my favorite cardigan ever. I love the color of it. It's just like super, super fall to me, and I'm obsessed with this jacket. It's like my favorite. So I'll be bringing this to use to keep me warm. That fits in there perfectly. And then I'm gonna be bringing the most comfortable neck pillow ever. Like it has like this like all upper, it's like all memory foam. You know, when you're like in the plane, or you're like sitting in your chair in the plane and you're like falling asleep and your head's like, and then you fall asleep on the other person, then you like go this way and like fall asleep this way, and like fall asleep on that person if you're in the middle seat, which I really hope I'm not. but like this will keep your head from doing that. And then it has these two little things to connect it. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it was like the most expensive neck pillow I've ever bought, but I feel like it's gonna be worth it. Actually, I've never really bought a neck pillow before. I have some. I don't know how I got them. Maybe they were like gifted to me or something, but so comfortable. So I'm like, oh my gosh. Yep. Good night. I can't wait to use this. And you just like tighten it as tight as you want. It's not very flattering, but no one's gonna know me on the plane, so it like pushes my cheeks really high up. But anyways, it's so comfortable, so it'll prevent me from like my neck going side to side. It'll just like stay exactly where it is. Oh, I'm gonna sleep so good on the plane, you guys. I normally don't sleep on planes, because I get like super anxious, and it's like a super long flight, and I'm not flying with anyone I know, which makes me even more nervous. But I just normally can never sleep, or if I do sleep, I'll be like nodding off, and then like we'll have like turbulence, and I'll like wake up really like aggressively because I like hate the flying. Just makes me nervous. I don't know, I don't like it. And then I'm also gonna be bringing my iPad, and I have downloaded some shows from Netflix. If you guys have any recommendations for like really good Netflix shows that you love, please let me know down below in the comments so I can download them before my trip, so I can like watch them on the flight, because I'm gonna have a long time to just like sit and like self-reflect and watch a lot of shows, hopefully. so yes, as of now, that's like everything I have in my bag. I will be linking this bag down below. I think this bag is seriously amazing for travel, or like it's called the weekend bag. So if you're going like having like a summer party at a girlfriend's house, or going to a boyfriend's house, or going like away for the weekend or something, this is a great bag to have. So I'll be linking this down below, along with everything that was in my bag. I'll be linking that down below as well. Also, if you guys have not yet entered my giveaway, please go to my fall favorites video. I'll put a little card up here for it to kind of help you guys. So you have to like search through all my other videos. But I am doing a giveaway. I'm going to be picking the winner on November 1st. So you still have time to enter. There's still time. I'm going to be announcing the winner on Instagram on November 1st. And I'm going to a few surprise items, but the main thing is this gorgeous Teddy Blake bag. It is such nice quality. It's like all genuine leather from Italy, so it's like amazing. I think it retails for around $300. This was gifted to me from Teddy Blake. However, it is a lot smaller than I had hoped, than I had planned, so I can't use it. I have no use for it, because I already have other bags this size. So I wanted to give it away to one of my subscribers, just kind of to say thank you for like supporting me and my dreams and my love for fashion and all those things. So thank you for that. The tags are still on it. Teddy Blake is an amazing company, and they're just amazing. They offered to exchange the bag for a bigger, like different size. But I thought that it'd be more fun for me to do a giveaway, because I don't need another bag. I have so much stuff. So I don't need something else, like another item, and I feel like you guys will get more use of it than I will. So I wanted to kindly give it away to one of my subscribers as a thank you. And then I'm also going to be giving away some gift cards and some, oh, that was a surprise. Okay, you know one of the surprises now. You don't know the amount though, but I'm going to be giving away some gift cards and a couple other secret things. Depending on who wins, I will let them kind of customize it to fit their needs and what they want, because, or what you want, because it's like your guys' giveaway. It's not my giveaway. So, I mean, it's my giveaway, but I'm not getting the stuff. So I want you guys to love the things that you guys are getting. And I don't want you to be like, oh, I can't use this, you know, so yes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I do plan on vlogging my trip to Salem. I plan on vlogging once I get there. I think Ashley and I are both going to be vlogging either together, and I know we're going to be doing some other videos, so please subscribe if you haven't. Stay tuned for all the fun videos that we're going to be making this next week, and I'm just super excited to go to Salem. It's going to be spooky, and I'm just like super excited, so yes. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you next week. Bye guys.